headed to Supermodel. Not really. Is it?
Yeah, it's
Supermodel, Forthright Trading. We're gonna pick up our stuff. I mean, he already got his stuff, but I got tons of stuff for the Stagia project. So we're gonna get that. Oh, whoa, okay, that's brunette. Cumberland. No, it's like fully in New West. Oh, that's my exhaust. 350Z exhaust?
Yep.
Sick.
Yep. That's 171, so Kevin's.
Oh yeah, because mine are the super lows. The real ones, not that
Real.
You can't say that on camera.
What? Yeah, that works. Either has those grand and the rest of them. Yes. Oh, really? Yeah. Passenger side.
Yeah, passenger.
That's a bit weird. Sorry, I didn't leave you any room. All right.
What's up, bro?
Hoodie, bro. So yeah, we went to Forthright Trading / Supermodel, grabbed all our stuff that's been on a container for, I don't even know how many months. How many months has it been? Yeah, so most of this stuff is for the Stagia project. This is a Z33 or Stagia clutch pedal set. This is a stock taillight set. This is a kind of cool 350Z exhaust, because I thought if I'm gonna do the exhaust on the Stagia, it's easier just to extend it versus make an entire exhaust. And I love that JDM thin wall sound, so I bought this. These are the side skirts for the Stagia. We bought kind of like an aero kit for it. I don't know if it's cool or not, but it's something to start with. And it doesn't have any aero, so that's cool. This is the front lower lip for the Stagia. So this is another bumper for the Stagia. I can't remember what it's called, but it's pretty cool, and it's stock aero, and it has like these vents and shit, so it's kind of cool. And then this one is the lowest level basic bumper that the aero goes on. So I had to buy this to run the aero, because my bumper is different. This is pretty cool. This is a super aggressive wing for the Stagia. It's like molded off the factory one, but I think it's like 2 or 3 inches longer, so it should look pretty sick. Got me my Forthright Trading hoodie. Thanks, Mike. Got my super duper low Bride seat rail for the driver. I think I only bought the driver, I'm not sure. Fuck, these aren't even the right headlights. And I bought some non-halo butchered stock headlights. And that's all my stuff. Kevin, you're up. Oh, actually no, that's not right. I have the rear. One more, last thing. This is the rear bumper lower lip balance for the Station. And that's it.
Crown front lip. For the 17, bro. This is the wagon arrow. This is what Jake has on his car. That's exactly that. Except it's in one piece. So, yeah, these are the side skirts that go with. One piece side skirts, where the sedan has the split side skirt. Intercooler. I thought this was used. No? I got this cowboy hat. Yo, this is sick, Jake. And then this is seat rails for the 17 Crown.
Like what the fuck?
Yeah.
Is there like a... Yeah, why are they so...
I don't know.
Jesus. And that goes on there. Because it's so uneven, right?
Yeah.
One side's super low, one side's super high.
Typical Nissan styles.
Yeah. So that goes on there.
Yeah.
Is that the outside though?
Let's talk, Kevin. We're very excited to start these projects that are supposed to be our drift cars for 20 whatever, except that now he has a totally different drift car.
So are you. Or, oh, you're talking, sorry.
Yeah.
I thought you were talking about this.
No.
No.
I didn't buy a single part for this thing.
Yeah, it's because you bought all the parts like 4 years ago.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, pretty excited. The stuff's finally here. We've been waiting for quite a while for it. I don't really know how long, but it was a while. A couple of ships sank. We thought maybe our stuff was on that.
Containers fell off the boat, like right close to our port, but it wasn't ours.
I don't want to see the bill because the shipping was triple.
Yeah, in the time that we bought this stuff before it got shipped, the shipping was just like, woo!
So, oh whatever, at least we got the stuff now. Kevin's car can get an intercooler, which would be pretty cool.
Yeah.
And Arrow's obviously gonna make it look better. Some seats to get rid of those bunk ass, super tall, 100-pound power seats.
It's none of that. It's just there's no bolster. Like you just get thrown around the car.
They're also too tall and too far forward.
Yeah.
I mean, for me, maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah.
Yeah.